Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on dark mode and how to turn it off in quick settings in Realme 14 Pro phone. So how to access quick settings? On the main screen we need to swipe from the top to bottom on the main screen and here they are. Here we have our quick settings shortcut, so we're looking for the dark mode. Where it is? Here it is, dark mode. Tap it once, dark mode is on. Tap it second time, dark mode is off. Of course we can tap and hold and we will be transported to dark mode settings and a few others as well in display and brightness menu. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.